Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me I do have a 2018 Toyota Corolla SE XSP. It is in the black sand pearl exterior with the black cloth. And then taking a look at options, of course we do have the XSP package. It does include the ground effects as well as the brake caliper covers, your black emblem overlays, and your graphics. You also do have your paint protection, carpet mats, and phone charger for a total of $23,875. Gas mileage is going to be 28 city and 35 out on the highway. So coming down here to your wheels, we are already on Firestone tires, and these are going to be the 17-inch alloys you get on your SE models. You can see those red brake caliper covers. Then coming around back, your XSP badging on your rear spoiler, those black emblem overlays as well. And so we'll go ahead and hop in, press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. And this one does have 26 miles on it, so foot on the brake, and twist to start. So we'll go ahead and check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath our hood, we have a 1.8 liter dual overhead cam with dual variable valve timing inline 4-cylinder engine. This features 132 horsepower and 128 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through a CVT continuously variable transmission. So we'll go ahead and check out the interior now. Now coming back in, we have that black cloth interior, nice blue accents throughout the cabin, whether it be stitching on your floor mats, on your doors, or the piping on your seats. But those seats are going to be 6-way manual adjustable. And then checking out door panel, you do have the stitched padded armrest, power windows, locks, and then mirrors are going to be over here beside your panel dim on your dash. Coming to that steering wheel, there's going to be a 3-spoke leather wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions. We have audio as well as voice commands and Bluetooth. And then our D-pad right here for that center LCD. TSSP over here, as well as your lane departure steer assist, dynamic radar cruise. You also do have automatic high beams. Cruise is going to be on a separate stalk. Paddle shifter is mounted on the back of the wheel. Automatic LED headlights with your tap to 3 blinks blinkers, and then over on the right your variable and speed wipers. Now dashboard's a nice stitch soft touch material. Contrast blue stitching down here on this portion. Then checking out your audio sources, AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. You have setup with all your vehicle settings that you can go through, and then your car is just going to be your MPG data. Below that, we do have our single zone manual climate control, so just go ahead and select your desired temperature, hit automatic, and leave it if you would like to. It's a very nice feature. You have your 12-volt outlet as well as USB and auxiliary audio inputs with some storage. This is going to be that CVT continuously variable transmission with manual mode down here or via the paddle shifters. Reverse does give you your backup camera and your audio screen. You do have your e-brake as well as cup holders, padded and stitched armrests that is dual tier, plenty of room, and then glove box is damped with owner's manuals and your phone charger in there. Manually dimming rearview mirror up top, mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor as well as some map lights. So that's about it for the front seat. We'll go ahead and check out the rear now. Now coming back here, of course you do have that same black cloth with contrast blue piping, as well as your padded armrest that follows through. Driver's seat set by 5'9" driving frame, plenty of room. You do have a seat mount pocket right here with storage. And then over here to my right, you do have a nice padded armrest with cup holders. And then up top, some damped cornering handles. So as you can see, the dashboard right there does look very nice. And so we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area, and then we can wrap up the video. Now coming around back, to open up your trunk, there's a release inside. Or just press and hold the button on your key. We'll lift up. As you can see, you do have 60/40 folding your seats right there, your front license plate bracket. Then underneath your cargo floor, you do have your temporary spare tire and jack, which is a nice touch. Line trunk lid up top with your emergency release. And so that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota Corolla SE XSP. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.